Fixing drop video calls on a PC can involve addressing several potential causes: network issues, hardware problems, software glitches, or settings misconfiguration. Here's a step-by-step tutorial to troubleshoot and fix this issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Restart router. Unplug your modem or router for 10 seconds and plug it back in. Run speed test. Go to speedtest.net and check for ping under 100 milliseconds is ideal. Download should be at least 10 megabits per second. Upload should be at least 2 megabits per second. If you can, switch to Ethernet and use a wired connection for better stability. Alright, step 2 is to update your software. Make sure your video call apps like Zoom, Teams, Skype, or Google Meet are all up to date. For Windows updates, just press the Windows key and the letter I together, then go to Update and Security, select Windows Update, and click on Check for Updates. Alright, let's talk about graphics drivers. Go ahead and open up Device Manager, then find Display Adapters. Right-click on your GPU and choose Update Driver. Step 3 is to check those background apps. Make sure you close any bandwidth-heavy applications like torrent apps, cloud sync tools such as OneDrive or Google Drive, and game launchers, among others. Now, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together. Then, sort your running processes by network and CPU usage, and close any heavy apps that might be hogging your system. Alright, step 4 is to set your app permissions correctly. You'll want to go to Settings, then Privacy, and look for Camera and Microphone. Just make sure your video app has permission to use both the camera and the microphone. Otherwise, it simply won't work right. Now, step 5 is all about testing your hardware. You can use the built-in test features of your video call app, like, for example, in Zoom, you just head to Settings, then Video, and tap on Test Camera. If you're still having trouble, try plugging in an external webcam or microphone to see if it's maybe a hardware issue. Moving on to step 6, you'll want to change the video settings in your app. Sometimes, reducing the video quality can help. So in Zoom, you go to Settings, then Video, and uncheck Enable HD. If you're using Teams, you can lower the resolution under Settings and then Devices. And if things are still glitchy, try disabling video entirely for a bit to see if your connection improves. Alright, step 7 is to use Google DNS. So you'll want to go to Control Panel, then Network and Internet, and then Network Connections. Next, just right-click your connection, choose Properties, and select Internet Protocol version 4, which is TCP/IPv4, then hit Properties again. Now, set your preferred DNS to 8.8.8.8 and your alternate DNS to 8.8.4.4. Okay, step 8 is to reinstall the app. You'll need to uninstall and reinstall your video calling app by going to Settings, then Apps, finding your app's name, and selecting Uninstall. After that, just download the latest version from the official site and you should be good to go. Now, step 9 is to check your firewall or antivirus settings. You'll want to allow the app through your firewall by heading to Control Panel, then Windows Defender Firewall, and clicking Allow an App. Also, you might want to temporarily disable your antivirus to test if it's interfering with your calls. Step 10. Use a different video call app. If you keep having issues with one app, you might want to try others. Like, if Zoom keeps dropping, give Google Meet or Skype a shot. Optional tools for advanced users include things like Wireshark, which lets you monitor network packet loss, and Ping Plotter, which helps diagnose those pesky intermittent connection drops. You can also use PowerShell to check for connection drops. Just type in ping-google.com-t and keep an eye out for any request timed out messages during your call. And hey, if none of these work, just let me know what software you're using and exactly when the drops happen. Like, is it after a certain number of minutes when others join, or maybe during screen sharing? I can help you fine-tune the fix.